In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a scatter chart. Scatter charts are a fantastic way to visualize relationships between two variables and can help you uncover insights that might not be immediately obvious from raw data alone. So, let's dive right into it. First, you want to start by opening your report in edit mode. This is where you'll have the flexibility to modify and customize your chart to suit your needs. Ensure your data source is connected properly, and that it contains at least two numeric metrics you'd like to compare, such as ad spend and conversions. Optionally, you can use a dimension like campaign to label each data point for further clarity. Next, move over to the toolbar and click on Add a Chart. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Scatter Chart. In some versions, this may be labeled as Scatter Bubble Chart, which suggests its additional capability to represent data as bubble sizes. Now that you've added the chart, position it on your canvas wherever you'd like to see it displayed. This is just the beginning of your visualization journey, so place it where it visually makes sense in your report. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the Setup panel. Here, you need to carefully configure a few things. First, double-check that the correct data source is selected. This ensures you're pulling the right data for your analysis. If you've opted to use a dimension, choose a categorical field such as campaign or region to help label each data point clearly. For the x-axis metric, select the metric that will be represented horizontally, such as ad spend. Then, for the y-axis, choose the metric to be represented vertically. In this case, conversions. If you're interested in adding another layer to your analysis, you can also choose a bubble size metric. This option allows you to transform your scatter chart into a bubble chart, where the size of each point or bubble represents a third metric. This can offer deeper insights into your data. Once you've set all your data configurations, switch over to the Style panel to personalize your chart. You can choose different point or bubble size styles and adjust the colors. You might want to stick with a single color for uniformity or use color by dimension to differentiate between categories more easily. Optionally, enable a trend line if you wish to clearly show the correlation between the two primary metrics. Finally, take a moment to configure other aspects such as axis titles, grid lines, background color, point size, and label visibility to ensure everything aligns with your report's aesthetics and functionality. Once you've completed all these steps, preview your work in view mode. This allows you to see the chart as it will appear to others, ensuring the chart displays correctly, the labels are readable, and any patterns or relationships within the data are clear and effective. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have a comprehensive scatter chart ready to present in no time.